Kyle, You're Behind BBQ, and today we're doing tomahawk ribeye. All right, so we got the tomahawk out of its package. There's not much I'm gonna do to this. I'm gonna take some of this fat off out here on the outside. Other than that, I'm gonna leave it. Just some hanging meat, whatever's coming off. That's about all we're gonna do to this bad boy. All right, so first I'm gonna start off with some Arizona Cajun, give it a little back end heat. Back end heat and some color. Give it a liberal amount of season here. I'm gonna let this sit for 10 minutes, let it sweat before I add my next rub. Next, we're gonna add my boy, Loot and Booty Barbecue, What's Your Beef? We're gonna add that on top. Now, I'm gonna fire up the pellet smoker 300 degrees. I'm gonna put this in. I'm gonna let it go until it reaches the internal temperature of 110 degrees. Once it hits 110 degrees, then I'm gonna take it to the old gasser, and then I'm gonna sear it on both ends till it hits 125, pull it off, I'm gonna let it rest. We're good to go. Smoker's fired up. Let's lay this bad boy in there. All right, steaks at 100 degrees. Pull this bad boy off. Got my gas grill fired all the way up, all the way on high. We're just gonna sear that off. She's ready to come off. Tomahawk ribeye, baby. Okay, I pulled her off at 125. I let it rest for 10 minutes. Now we're gonna pull it out and we're gonna follow that bone. Ooh, nice and tender, boy. Start slicing. Make sure y'all like, subscribe, and I'll see y'all in the next one.